Good morning, children. Today we are going to study maths, ICSE mathematics. Take out this book and your homework copy also. Okay. School homework copy also. Uh, Chapter 3, page 44. Okay. Everyone follow me. Subtraction can be done using fingers. See, right side. For example, let's subtract 3 from 8. 3 from 8. To subtract, count the greater number on your fingers. So count 8 fingers and fold the remaining fingers. See 8. You know 5 fingers. 6, 7, 8. Okay. 1, 2. That side. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Total fingers, children, 10 fingers. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So close as many fingers as the smaller number. So close 3 fingers. The remaining fingers is the answer. So 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. No. So 5 fingers is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 3 and 3. Okay. 5 and 3 total 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 8 question 8 fingers. Okay. Minus 3. Minus 3 means 3 minus 1, 2, 3. Now you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. Okay. See, 3 is off. So 5 fingers is here. So answer is 5. Okay. Question 3. Subtract the given numbers. Okay. Everyone follow me. Question 3. A. 6 minus 6. So draw the lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 0. Nothing. 0. Okay. Next number B. 8 minus 5 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I take away. So left 1, 2, 3. The answer is 3. C. Question C. 4 minus 1 is equal to. Answer. Draw the lines 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 off. Okay. To cut 1. So answer 1, 2, 3. So 3 answer. It's very easy. Practice children. Okay. 9 minus 7. So draw the lines 9. 9 is bigger number. Okay. So 9 big number, you draw the lines. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7 is small number. So count also 7 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So left 1, 2. So answer is next DE. E question. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to. So 5 is greater than 3. So draw the lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2. Left 1, 2. So 2 answer. F. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, 2, 3. 2. Small number 2. So left 1. I hope everyone understood question 3. Subtract the given numbers. So practice. Okay. Next 4. Question 4. See, match with the correct answer. So question 4. A. 4 minus 2. B. 7 minus 6. C. 8 minus 3. D. 6 minus 3. E. 9 minus 5. This is your question. Left side your question. Okay. Right side your answer. Two, 4, 1, 5, 3. See children, left side question 4 minus 2, B 7 minus 6, C 8 minus 3, D 6 minus 3, E 9 minus 5. Your question, okay, A, B, C, D, or and right side you see answer. So first you do your sum. Okay. So question A, 4 minus 2. See here, 5, 4, 2, 1, 3. Answer here. So 4 minus 2. I draw the lines left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 2 is small number. 2, 1, 2. Minus. So left 1, 2. So where is 2 number 2? 3. Answer is 3 is right. So you go answer 3. And write here A. Okay. Next B. 7 minus 6. 7 is greater than 6. See here. So I draw the lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 is small number. So this is minus. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So see, 1 left. 1 left. So where is 1? Yes, this is B answer. Here. See. So B. Answer is 1. B. Okay. Next C. 8 minus 3. See the question first. 8 minus 3. So draw the lines first. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 3 minus 1, 2, 3. Now you count children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where is 5? Yes, first 1. 1 is C is C answer. So you write here C. Answer C. Okay. Next, 6 minus 3. Again you draw the lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 minus, so left 1, 2, 3. Where is 3? Yes. So D. Question D I write here. E, 9 minus 5. 9 is bigger than 5. So I draw the lines here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So left 1, 2, 3. So where is 4? Yes, number 2, 4. So go. Yes. Right. I hope everyone understood this question. Question 4 match the correct answer. Okay. Next, question 5. Question 5 say, put a tick. Put a tick. If answer is correct, or and cross if it is not. Okay. So let's see. A. Question A. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. This answer is right. You are wrong. Okay. So I draw the lines here. 1, 2, 3. So 3 minus 1. So 1 minus. So answer is 1, 2. Yes. 2 is right answer. So you tick right. Okay. Next B. 5 minus 2 is equal to 4. Is answer is correct? Or if it is not, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Draw the lines. 2 minus 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. No, this is wrong answer. 3 is right answer. So you cross here. Okay. Eight minus 4 is equal to 5. Children, draw the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. So count 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 is right answer. 5 is wrong. So you cross. Okay. D. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 minus. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So left 1. Answer 1. Yes. 1 is the right answer. So tick. Okay. I hope everyone understood. Practice. Okay. 7 minus 2 is equal to answer 5. Right? You are wrong. So draw the lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 1, 2. Now you count, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right answer. 5 is Right. So tick. Yes. 9 minus 4 is equal to 3. Draw the lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, 4 minus, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the right answer, 3 is wrong. Okay, so cross. I hope everyone understood. Now subtracting 0, page 45, or the same number. I have 3 glasses of juice. If I give 0 glasses to you, how many glasses are left? 3 glasses. Look at the given example. See, 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. So children, subtracting 0 from a number gives the same number. Memorize this. Okay. So if I give all 3 glasses to you, see the picture here, how many glasses will I have? So look at the given example. See, 0 glasses. See, same number 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. But 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. See here, A, 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. Okay, but 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. See here, 1, 2, 3, but 0 is no number. So that's why 3 write here the same number. Okay. Subtracting 0 from a number given the same number. Now subtracting a number from itself, 0. Where? 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. So 3 minus 3, you draw 3 lines here. Minus 3, 1, 2, 3. So 0, nothing. Okay. 6 minus 6 is equal to, you draw 6, you draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, 0, nothing. No number is here. Okay. So repeat again. Subtracting 0 from a number gives the same number. Okay. Subtracting a number from itself. Okay. And now subtracting numbers from itself gives 0. Itself. See. Same number is here. Itself. So is equal to 0. Now question 6. 3 minus 3. 6. See, 3 birds minus 3. Okay, is equal to, so 1, 2, 3 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. So answer is 0. Nothing. See here, no birds is here. B. Balloons. You count the balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balloons. So write 5 minus is equal to answer 5. So you know children, 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. See here, 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 3 minus 0 is equal to 4. So 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Okay. Now see, 7 minus is equal to 7. So same, 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. Okay. D, 9 minus 9. See, a number from itself. So answer is 0. Why? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 0. Subtracting a number from itself gives 0. Okay. E, last one. Minus 6 is equal to 0. So same number. You know 9 minus 9, 0. So same number 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. It's very easy, practice. Okay children, I hope everyone understood page 44 and 45. Your homework, chapter 3, page 44 and 45. Okay, so children, practice nicely. Okay, bye bye.